Hello traders, welcome. This is technical analysis on how to be profitable in the bull market. And I want you to pay detailed attention to this amazing video because this is going to actually help you become profitable or make those cash that you actually want to make. We're in the bull market now. The ETF has actually been approved. Well, congratulations to those who have been holding Bitcoin. But it goes way beyond that, all right? It goes way beyond that. Now, as you can see on the chart, this is total 3, and I'm going to just put this on total 2, first of all, and explain the dynamics going on. All right, let's go back to total 3. All right, let's go back to total 3. Let's start from total 3. There's a reason I want to start from total 3. Let's start from total 3 and then back to total 2. Total 3 is showing you total market cap excluding BTC and ETH. That's Ethereum. Now, I want to actually just do a rough and simple technical analysis, but very accurate, so that you can see where we are currently. Now, can you see that price has retested this key level? This is a key level that what price has retested. So we can actually say that an accumulation has taken place, meaning altcoins are about to start moving to the upside. Now, the reason we're going to see altcoins begin to move very, very quickly is because of the nature of Bitcoin investors. All right, it's because of the nature of what Bitcoin investors and the cycle of the market entirely. Now, what is this cycle about? If Bitcoin begins to move upwards, that simply means that the dominance of Bitcoin is actually what? Moving. It's actually growing, meaning we'll have more people who are investing into Bitcoin than altcoins. After this, I'm going to show you specific coins that you'll be what? Looking out for. All right. It means basically that a lot of investors are putting in money into Bitcoin now. So let's go into BTC dominance, BTC.D. Now, if we actually do check what BTC.D is doing, can you see where we are right now? Let me just take this out. Let me do something like this. Can you see we had quite an area of support at this level that is actually failing currently. This level is failing. It's failing. Can you see this? It is actually failing. Now, if we do break out from this key level, show you what I'm saying. See, if we do break out from this key level, the next target we should be heading for is that BTC dominance is going to go as high as 72%. Now, imagine you have Bitcoin in terms of market cap being 72%, and that means we're left to just 28% of altcoins. That means Bitcoin will rally up to at least 110,000 US dollars per one BTC. And this is proven facts, right? But currently the way it is right here, we can see that the actual price, or rather the actual percent, is at 52 for the dominance of Bitcoin. And if we do not break above this key level I just showed you, it means therefore that we're going to be what? Headed downwards, and we should be targeting somewhere around this inefficiency here. We should make BTC, we should make the dominance fall to about 43.99%. I'm not saying it's going to affect the price of Bitcoin, don't get me wrong. Bitcoin will still perform, but it only means that altcoins are going to perform better than BTC. Now, so but with the new what do you call it now? Invention of, we don't really say invention, with the new introduction of the spot ETF on BTC, I do think that it's going to actually make the price of BTC stable for some time before the actual rally will begin to happen. But in the meantime, it is better you start capitalizing on what you already have, and that is your altcoins. So let's go back to total 3 again. Let's go back to total 3 and let's see what exactly is happening. So if this is actually true and price happens to be here currently, it just means that price is going to what? Target these next levels somewhere around here. And if this happens, it means there's going to be an 82.68% increase in altcoins, except BTC and ETH. All right. And that's going to be a very big plus for the entire market. BTC will obviously move, but it just simply means that altcoins may begin to move faster than BTC. I gave a signal, a very hot signal in my VIP group moments ago. It was for Bitcoin and predicted Bitcoin was going to get up to 48,500. And we're definitely going to see that happen anytime soon. All right. So, but basically, this is the concept I want you to understand. It's called money outflow and inflow, meaning knowing where money is going to and knowing where it is coming from. And once you have this information, it's going to be very clear for you. Now, let's go back to coin market cap and let's see the projects that we should be putting into consideration. You can see today's cryptocurrency price by market cap, the global crypto market cap. Let me just highlight this. Can you see the global crypto market cap is 1.8 trillion US dollars, and it has increased with about 7.17%. Okay, trending coins, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have a lot of them basically. But there's one particular project I'm rooting out for. I'm rooting out for Ethereum, I'm rooting out for ETH, I'm rooting out for Solana rather, I'm rooting out for Ethereum, I'm rooting out for Cardano. I'm also rooting out for a particular project. Let me see if it's actually here right now. PERP. That's Perpetual Protocol. I'm rooting out for this particular project very, very, very well. I'm rooting out for this project. This is a very good project, and the bias is highly bullish. Now, I want us to run a deep technical analysis on this particular project and see if it's actually a good time to buy this project. Now, the reason I'm rooting out for this project is because of the fundamentals backing this project. It has solid fundamentals. All right, so let's go back to trading view. I'll give a lot of coins that we should be looking out for. I just said PERP, and we're also going to be looking at comp. All right, so let's type in PERP USDT. If you're not following me on my Telegram channel, I really don't know what you're doing, but you really do need to be active there. The link is going to be in the description of this video. And of course, the link to my mentorship and signal room, it's definitely going to be in the description of this video. So do well to check that out. So we have right here, I gave this as a free signal on the Telegram channel. We have right here, this is PEP. Now, this is what PEP has done. PEP has solidified a full-blown accumulation phase. A full-blown accumulation phase starting out from this particular zone. Right? Now, let's see where we're seeing. See what we're talking about now. So you can see this. If we do draw this clearly, you're going to see that this right here, what you can see is a spring. Here is a spring currently ongoing. All right, that's a spring currently, and this should be our low range. Should be our low range, obviously. And you can see how price was able to what? Was able to recover from the range. I'm just doing my simple Wyckoff schematic Those of you who have taken my courses definitely should know these things. And this is the only concept that I trade, and I get over 85% win rate. Now, you can see we have a spring already showing here, and most people would actually call this an inverse head and shoulders. Okay? Inverse what? Head and shoulders. They would call here inverse head, but I like to call this an accumulation. So a lot of people will call this an inverse head and shoulders, and they will say here is the head, and then we'll have the two shoulders. But any way you decide to call it, it's an accumulation, and it's showing you that price wants to what? Continue higher. Price wants to rally. Now, we've broken out from this particular point. We've broken out from this key level, which is this key level right here. Broken out from this key level, and we have retested it successfully. So the only next thing price wants to do is to continue going up, 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 up we go. So price definitely will want to what? Make higher highs and break structure to the upside. You get what I'm saying? So the next target we should be looking out for now for this project in the coming weeks is this zone here, which is about 3.5. All right, we should be heading towards 3.5. Just quickly write that. We should be heading towards, these are our next target. Let's say target levels. So that's our next target level, and definitely that's where we should be heading towards. Now, I like this because this project has, I said it before, it has a lot of fundamentals. I'll do a separate video for that entirely, showing you the fundamentals backing this project. So if you can watch this video right now, it's a good buy. Let's go over to the 1-day time frame so that you see everything that I'm saying. I mapped everything out clearly for you so that you can see how this can actually print you a lot of money. Can you see this? You can see how we broke structure, tested order block. And then let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. Go back to the 4-hour time frame. You can see what we're already forming. You can see we already had a double top, double bottom formation. We retested it. Price is about to break through this point now. So this is the next point we want to be looking at. This point, this key zone. This key zone. If we do successfully break above it, all right, which I know definitely we are going to, if we do successfully break above this zone, then I don't see any reason why price should not continue its rally to the upside. I don't see any reason why price should not be coming as high as this point to take out this weak high. This is a weak high here. So price definitely would want to take out this weak high. Okay, that's a weak high. No, I don't see any reason why price will not take that out. All right, so basically this is just how you can make good money out of the crypto market during this particular bull market, during this bull run. All right, now, so going back to coin market cap, how do you actually search for these coins? Okay, you know what, guys, that's going to be in the next video. Yes, I'm not going to do that. I don't want this video to be very long. I'm going to show you how you can actually get the most out of all these coins in the next video and how to particularly select them. Cheers, guys. Let's go.